Faceless channels have built their unique identity using these talking characters on YouTube. This was started from 10x income, which now has 336,000 subscribers. I'll show you how you can create one for you. It all will be done using a single online software, the one and only Avator. Open the Avator website. Here click on AI Image Generator. The interface is loaded. For prompts, the blog link is given in the description. Copy any one prompt from there, and paste it. Click on the negative prompt. I've also provided negative prompts for you, so put them also. Click on aspect ratio, and choose 16:9 for YouTube. In the end, there are a lot of different styles. Try different styles. Your first generation may be dumb, but you need to generate it again. After generating many pictures, I selected this one. Click on Edit. Then on AI Expand. The editor will be loaded. Choose here how much you want to zoom out, and hit Generate. The image is expanded. Now click on Magic Erase. Then on Quick Select, here select the object you want to remove. But I want them back. Then click on AI Upscale, and you can upscale the quality of the image. Download this image, choose Quality, High. Then click on Beg Remover, and it will remove the background. You can put transparent character at the bottom of the video. Download it also. For lip sync, go to the homepage, switch to the video. Here you have the AI Talking Avatar option. Simply upload the image that we downloaded. Select a voiceover from there.
Welcome to Clipfly.
Welcome to Clipfly.
And enter your script. You can also upload your own audio. Then click Get Started. Here's the result.
Built their unique identity using these talking characters on YouTube.
Do the same to generate the transparent image. Now we need to upscale the quality of the video. Go to the Avator homepage. Switch to Video. Click on Video Enhancer. Here upload the video. Whether you can enhance the video or upscale the video. First I enhanced the video. But that is not fine. Then I upscaled the video. And the video is looking awesome. Click on Download Full Video to get the full upscaled video.
Faceless channels have built their unique identity using these talking characters on YouTube. This was started from 10x income, which now has 336k plus subscribers.